which it gives us a good little loop.
That's the bottom one. Down the
Bottom.
good. Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be nice to have a map in your pocket till you figure out where you're going. Hotline. A little faster than I'd have had you.
Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. We're safe and sound. I can feel your cup. You know my river won't evaporate. This world we still appreciate. You could be my luck. Even in a hurricane of frowns, I know that we'll be safe and sound. We're safe and sound. We're safe and sound. We're safe and sound. I could show you love in a tidal wave of mystery. You'll still be standing next to me.
Good one.
Without following
My
him.
favorite trail by park here.
Where does this go?
That's what I was saying. I was going really fast.
Right there's the playground, so yeah, we're supposed to
I
cut
followed
back.
down here and I was like, that ain't the trail.
I just seen y'all, so I just kept going.
I couldn't stop.
That was quick.
No, I think it's there. You're right. I dropped my fucking bike.
That's just a nasty downhill is all that is. I'm getting a little sketched out there.
I can show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. I can lift you up. I can show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. We're safe and sound. We're
Yep,
safe
that's
and
what it started
sound.
at.
We're safe and sound.
11:30.
We're safe and sound.
Better to get home early than late.